Welcome back to DTV. Today I want to show you a powerful tool that you can use to build better relationships in business. I want to teach you how to write a love note to the people in your network, to your prospects, your customers, to your colleagues, and all of your connections. And no, I don't want you to get sued for sexual harassment. What I'm talking about is writing short, handwritten notes to the people that you want to have better relationships with in your network. Business relationships at their core are human relationships. So when you invest time and energy into the foundation, there are a lot of really positive long-term benefits. So why is this kind of love note so powerful? Well, really, why is any love note so powerful? A love note says to the recipient, you weren't right here, but I was still thinking about you because you're important. I value you. And that's why a short love note goes so far to build a better relationship. It lets the person know that you were thinking of them. And no, you don't have to make this a big deal. You don't have to use flowery language. You don't have to talk about the star setting in their eyes. You don't have to express your undying love. A good love note can be a thank you note. It can be a congratulatory note, or maybe just a note because you ran across something that you know you share in common with the person you're writing to. It could even just be a thinking about you note. All you really need is about 3 to 4 sentences. Again, very short, very quick. It can be as simple as, hi Bill, I hope this note finds you well. I heard that you got a promotion at company XYZ. Congratulations. Or something like, hey Sue, it was great meeting you at the conference last week. I hope that we get a chance to stay in touch to see how we can help each other grow our careers. Keep it short, keep it simple. Here are 3 things to keep in mind if you want to have an effective love note strategy. Number 1, it has to be handwritten. Notice I talked about handwritten love notes, not emailed love notes. Their mailbox is an empty inbox, so it's very easy to stand out when you actually pop something in the mail. It's also a lot warmer and it just goes a lot farther to cementing the relationship. So keep it simple by having the supplies around. I use a little note card kind of like this, right? Which is great. Or even just use a nice piece of stationery. It can be very simple, but having the materials around, make sure that you'll actually do it. And along those lines, just go and buy 100 stamps and keep them in your drawer. The second thing that's important with love notes is that you don't ask for anything. If you ask for something, then you have an agenda. You want something from the person, and that totally devalues the love note. It just cheapens it. So don't try to get anything from them, whether that's a meeting, an appointment, or a sale. All you're trying to do is reinforce the relationship. And the third thing you want to have is a goal for how many of these love notes you want to send every week. It's really important to have a goal for how many notes you're going to send out because it's super simple for this to fall off your radar and just to slip to the bottom of your to-do list. Even having a goal of 3 notes a week or 5 notes a week will make sure that you actually get to it. I know how well this strategy works, but if you just have a bunch of note cards and stamps in your drawer, it doesn't help at all. So my challenge to you is to send out a love note to somebody this week that you'd like to have a better relationship with. And let me know how it goes in the comments below. And don't forget to send me a love note by hitting the subscribe button. It'll ensure that you get more good stuff and it'll give me a little hit of validation. And I'll see you next time on DTV.